How to turn off iPhone is too close on iOS 17. Many iPhone users have experienced this annoying pop-up when they hold their phone too close to their face. Thankfully, there is a simple solution to disable this feature. To get started on, launch your Settings app, scroll down, head towards the option of Screen Time. Now, over here you're gonna find different section. Under Limit Usage, you'll find the option of Screen Time. Open it. By disabling for this option, Screen Time, you will simply turn off iPhone is too close. This feature is beneficial for reducing eye strain. With this warning, users are notified when they hold the device too close to their face, reminding them to maintain a safe distance by maintaining an appropriate distance between the eyes and the screen. Users can reduce eye fatigue and minimize potential eye strain and the risk of myopia in children. So I recommend you to enable this. But if you are really annoyed with the pop-up, you can toggle off for this option, screen distance. With that, you will be good to go. Well, this is how you can easily turn off iPhone is too close on iOS 17. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.